Hello, everyone. Again, doctors, my fellow hospital administration professionals, and hospital owners. I am your consultant, hospital consultant, Ganesh Karthikeyan here. Today, I'm going to take you in a walkthrough of modernized hospital facilities and modernized modular operation theaters. Because to keep growing with the trend, we need to modernize our services. We have helped such facilities developments in the Middle East, Singapore, and Europe, and southern part of India. So I'm going to share a crisp perspective of how to invest on modernized hospital facilities, and also you're going to have a walkthrough video of a modular operation theater and the need of the hour for the hospital services in today's trend. So let me take you directly to the presentation, my dear doctors, colleagues, doctorpreneurs, and hospital administration professionals. So let us have a look at, at this key points of why we need to have modernized operation theater facilities nowadays. So, doctors, hospital management professionals, and hospital owners, are you still on old fashion? So, why we are asking you such questions? Yes, there is a reason. Today, the hospital areas and the particularly areas like operation theaters, laboratories, and even waiting areas needs to be infection-free operation theaters equipped with latest medical technology and completely aseptic and dedicated to specific specialties. So having said this, why we are saying this? Because in simple terms, it improves and boosts your patient's confidence. Let me tell you one example, and let me share you a small story on this. While I was doing the upgradation and modernization of top-line hospitals in Chennai and Bengaluru, I have even noticed patients from Oman, Qatar, who used to visit the hospitals for treatment have extended their stay. I repeat, they have extended their stay one more week because they feel the hospital environment is very clean and boosting their confidence instead of staying back and continuing the treatment on their home or hometown. So this is how it happens. So let us continue to the presentations key points again. So as I told you, it boosts your patient's confidence. In many hospitals, we have also seen there is a statement saying, we only give treatment, faith only cures you. So that is the kind of ambience and clean environment and hygiene suffices confidence we're going to uh, deliver for boosting the patient's confidence. So where and all it is needed, modular operation theaters, clean laboratory areas, high-tech intensive care units, pest retardant wall systems, touch-free door systems. So all these things we are delivering it to you in a modular form as an infrastructure for the new facility or even for the facility, existing facility, if the hospital administration or a doctorpreneur would like to upgrade. So that is how it's going to happen. We are saying it is going to happen from scrub room to exit in case of a modular operation theater, completely hands-free controls, wall-flushed components, fast reversible system, easy retrofitting, hygienic surfaces, clean air-conditioned supply, controlled atmosphere, and exhaust air return. All these things, how we are going to make in a modernized method for your hospital facility. Let us see the walkthrough video for it. I will share that to you now. So in this video, I'm going to share you the complete walkthrough video of the modernized facility. So this is how it will normally happen in our system. So this is a very adaptable modular construction, flexible and comprehensive, can be completed in shorter period of time, and the return on investment is also faster. It has sensor operated sliding doors, swing doors, and also hands-free scrub rooms and wash basin sinks. All are sensor based, and the wall panels are completely concealed with the services, shadow-free lighting systems, and internal wiring arrangements. What I mean to say is nothing will pop out or protrude or hang on the walls, so you will have a complete clean surface, easily sanitizable, maintainable. The control panel for the doctor, including the keyboard, is foldable inside the wall once the duty and recording of the theater performances and operation details are recorded by the doctor for future references. Yes, the components are flush integrated, easy retrofitting with hygienic surfaces. This is how it is going to happen. So what you see now on the screen is the pop-out holes of gas pipes like your oxygen, nitrogen requirements, and various fluids. Everything you will notice only the points so that nothing is floor mounted like cylinder or pipes for pest generations. These are all the air conditioning duct systems. These things are completely concealed and you will not notice anything visible either on the wall surface or outside the building or inside the walking area or patient movement area. So these pendant anesthesia systems, lighting systems, and monitor systems and control systems are ceiling mounted and surface concealed type. Everything is planned with workflow logistics in mind, from scrub room to patient entry and then a separate patient exit to comply with all the protocol requirements. This makes your life easier when you go for NABL and NABH approvals. So, in fact, we deliver the complete construction and infrastructure modular along with the approvals. A one-time package and a single point, one-stop shop for you to associate it with us to grow technically in a modernized hospital facility. So this systems completely comes to you with approvals and certifications along with the modernized facility which you would like to uh, you would want to have your patient to experience. All the cabinets are wall mounted, flushed in the wall, and it goes inside and it pops out and peeps out whenever needed one way. And above all, it comes with an interactive software to manage the routines as well as the records and documentations as per the NABH guidelines and compliances. So this is how it's going to be in your facility there. So coming back to our presentation again, so I would request all the uh, hospital management admin peoples, and hospital owners, and doctorpreneurs and doctors to make use of this facility. Rather, I would recommend and suggest to associate with us and grow modernized to keep your businesses growing faster as well as gaining the return on investment faster. We do this in three-step measurement and estimate as a step one, and step two is installation and commissioning, and step three is handing over and maintenance. So all these shuttleless light systems, foot operated or touch-free controls, pendant anesthesia units, operating tables, interactive softwares, everything will come to you as a single package and faster package for installations. So why waiting? Keep upgrading your hospital facility and keep your patients' confidence in a boostable manner. Call us for a meeting. I'm Dinesh Kortigayan, your consultant, by your side always. Email to me, dinesh@soyonline.in. We are there for you since 2014 with more than 500 plus hospitals in southern India, Middle East, North Africa, and Singapore also. So, my dear colleagues, hospital owners, doctorpreneurs, doctors, and hospital administration people, thank you once again for listening and taking notes from this webinar. Keep growing, keep improving, keep modernizing for the growth. Thank you once again for joining with me in this webinar. Thank you.